Follow along with me as I take you through some of the most helpful yoga exercises to lose weight and achieve strength and flexibility. Leave fit in the comments below to get a diet plan to match this workout for better results. The routine has a relaxing yet powerful flow. Breathe deeply and let your body restore and recover. Extend your arms out in front of you and bring your forehead onto the floor. Your knees can be as wide or close as is comfortable for you, and breathe slowly. On an inhale, lift your chin, chest and tailbone into cow pose, arching your back. On an exhale, tuck your chin and hips, rounding inwards. Let your shoulder blades meet and exhale into a cat gaze, spreading your shoulder blades apart. Now walk your hands forward, inhale and move your body into a high plank position. Separate your feet hip width apart and soften your knees as you fold forwards. Exhale, pressing all four corners of your feet into the mat. And stand tall for mountain. Inhale, extend your arms upwards, lifting your heart up and bending back. Keep your arms alongside your ears, shoulders down, and exhale. Inhale into half lift. Your spine should be parallel to the ceiling. Exhale and release back into forward fold. Inhale and plant your hands onto the mat and step your feet into a high plank. Move slowly from downward to upward facing dog a few times. Repeat the process in the reverse order till your hands reach heart center. When in child's pose, move your hands to the right, allow your head to rest, shoulders to relax and soften your right shoulder. Now move back to center and let's move to the opposite side. Breathe deeply and begin to walk your arms to your left side, once again keeping your shoulders and head in a comfortable position. Lift your left leg upwards, moving into half pigeon. Move your left knee into your chest and position it right behind your wrists. Lift your chest and reach forwards to lengthen, then lower your body as much as you can. Breathe deeply and relax your upper body. From child's pose, move your right arm from underneath your left and stretch it out till what seems comfortable. Allow your right ear to rest on the mat, close your eyes before you breathe and swap sides. Do the same by threading your arm underneath the right side with your ear to the floor. Come back with your hands flat on the mat, knees on the floor, and take a few cycles of breath. With your back flat on the ground, move your feet to face each other. Let your arms fall to the side and knees pulse as they relax to the floor. This pose is a great hip opener. Just breathe evenly as you allow your knees to straighten out and relax. You can be in the Savasana position for a few seconds to a few minutes till you feel completely at peace. As difficult as it may seem at first, powering through this flow at the start of your day is going to help you attain the healthiest version of yourself. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.